Hello there, today we will learn about pronouns. So, how to identify pronouns in a sentence? A pronoun is a generalized substitute for a noun. For example, he is a substitute for the noun, Adam. She for Eve. They for Adam and Eve. Some pronouns can take an "m" suffix, like he, him, they, them, who, whom. Other pronouns feature a self or selves suffix, like myself, ourselves. Otherwise, pronouns are all but free of suffixes. The following text with the words underlined are pronouns. Right now, addicted patients have to ask themselves every day if they should take their medicine or get high, says Colin Brewer of the Stapleford Clinic in London. He thinks antibodies would be a big help to recovering addicts who have trouble sticking with therapy. Themselves, they, he, who. There are subclasses of pronouns too, which are personal pronouns, indefinite pronouns, interrogative pronouns, and relative pronouns. Personal pronouns are those that refers to you, to me and to other people, like you, us, them. For an example, when you flatter people, it is just telling them what they think of themselves. In the sentence, you, it, them, they, themselves, are personal pronouns. Indefinite pronouns are those that combine some, any, no, every with body, one, thing. Like, somebody, anyone, nothing. I know somebody who lives in a penthouse. It's great for anyone living there to know they have a roof under their feet. In this sentence, somebody and anyone are indefinite pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are those that stand either at or near the beginning of questions. The answers to sentences with interrogative pronouns are other pronouns or nouns. For example, a question, who was that? The answer to this sentence, that was Jean. Thus, who is the interrogative pronoun, whereas Jean is the noun that answers the sentence. Another example, what do you want? I don't want anything. What is the interrogative pronoun, and anything is the pronoun that answers to this sentence. Relative pronouns, also called adjectival conjunctions, relate to nouns or pronouns mentioned in an earlier clause of a sentence. In the sentence, I returned the money that I owed them. The relative pronoun that relates to the noun, money, mentioned in the clause, I returned the money. The main relative pronouns are who, whom, whose, which, that.